Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a short DIY for you. I'm going to be trying my hand at those wire framed floral hoops. Well, I'm going to try to find a bit of eucalyptus leaves, maybe some white peonies, but I definitely want to make them neutral and universal so that I can use them for other sessions, of course, but we really want it to fit baby's theme for her first year cake smash. So you're gonna come along with me as I do a DIY for the floral hoops. Okay, so there are a few supplies that I didn't show as I was getting the supplies. So I went to Walmart and got their wire floral hoop. It's a 18-inch floral hoop, and it comes with 4 different sized hoops. So you'll see me break them apart. I'm going to use pliers, thicker, wider plier, and then a needle nose. So you'll see me kind of take them apart with that, and then we'll go from there. I am going to use a gold spray paint to change the floral hoops from green to gold, just because I feel like that just looks a little more finished. The green one, of course, looks gardeny, and yeah, that's what we're going for, but the greenery on it is going to give it that green, and I just feel like the gold will definitely make it pop a little more against the white backdrop. So the Rust-Oleum gold spray paint, it's metallic, so it will have that shine to it to look like metal. And the needle nose plier, the regular plier, the 18-inch floral hoop from Walmart. I want to say I paid maybe $2.77 for it, so it was not expensive at all. And then an arrangement of flowers and greenery and stuff like that, whatever you'd like. I'm going to attach mine using hot glue, and that should definitely do the job. So here I am with my floral wreath. As you can see, there's 4 rings attached by these little bars. I am using my needle nose plier right now to take off the outside hooks, and then the wider plier to finish taking off the rest of the hooks along with our wire cutter. As we get to the last 2 rings, it begins to bend just a little bit, so you'll see me try to straighten them back out just a tad. After cutting off all of the bars, you'll have 4 rings, and you'll see on a few of the rings that they have these little nooks right here, like as I'm showing you right now. You can either have them cut down a little bit more. I know that my babies won't be touching it because they will be suspended from the background, so it didn't really bother me as much. And here's the Rust-Oleum paint that I used, the spray paint in metallic gold. I will be doing both sides, as you'll be able to see. I am going to do a little close-up just so that you can kind of see how the coverage works. And now that we have all of them dried, I am showing you the foliage and the flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'll be using my wire cutters again, along with glue sticks and my mini glue gun. After I remove all of the foliage from the stems, you'll be able to see what I have, and then I separate them so that I can put individuals on each floral ring. I decided to do them all different instead of having them exactly the same, so that they kind of match but don't match in a sense. So here I'm going to mock out what I'm going to do on each one. I decided to use the leaves from the flowers to kind of create a base so that I can glue everything, because these wires are thin. I did want to use everything from the eucalyptus, the frosted leaves, I'm not sure what they're called anymore, and the white flowers. I wanted to use everything, even down to the leaves. Here I am again making a base, and of course you can do this however you want to. This is how I felt was easiest, to create a base first and then glue everything together. It made it a little sturdier, especially since they're going to be bottom heavy. Again, arrange them however you want. I decide to mock them out before I officially glue them down, simply because I really don't want to make any mistakes. It's extremely hard to pull the hot glue off and not damage the spray paint and to damage the leaves underneath it. And here are the finished wreaths. I am really happy with how these came out. They were super easy once I got in the groove of things, 4 individual rings, and they turned out beautifully. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you're going to do this DIY yourself. And thank you again so much for watching.